Good morning students. Today we read about active and passive voice. All of you know the meaning of active and passive voice. But before going to learn how we convert active to passive voice, we must have idea about tense. In my last class, I have already sent you the link video of tenses. I hope all of you go to the link thoroughly and understand it. So, before going to learn how we convert active voice to passive voice, I like to show this chart by which or um, by which we can easily convert active voice to passive voice. See the chart. I hope all of you see the chart carefully. So let's see how we convert active voice to passive voice. I am writing a sentence. What? Ram eats the mango. First of all, we have to identify this sentence is in which tense form. So tell me, this sentence is in which tense form? This sentence is in simple present tense form. Okay. Another thing we have to identify what? In this sentence, who is the subject, who is the object, and what is the main verb. These three things we have to identify. So let's identify. Ram is the subject. Eat is the main verb. Eats is the main verb, and the mango is the object. Okay, we have done it. Then we turn it into passive voice. Okay, so when we convert active to passive voice, the object takes the place of subject, the subject takes the place of object, and the third form of main verb is used. The third form of main verb means there are three forms of verb. What is that? The present form, the past form, and the past participle form. Okay? I hope all of you know about the three forms of verb. Okay? So let's see how it can be a passive voice. Let's see. I have already told that the object takes the place of subject, the subject takes the place of object, and the third form of main verb is used. Then let's see the object. Okay, so what may be the passive voice? The mango is eaten by Ram. What I wrote? The mango is eaten by Ram. Why I put is? Because our active voice is in simple present tense form. Okay, then come to simple past. Before going to simple past tense form, another thing I like to say that if our object is in singular form, then we can write the mango is eaten by Ram. But if the objects are in plural form, then the passive voice will be what? The mangoes are written by Ram. I hope all of you understand. It is not necessary to write. Okay. Another sentence we see what? We go to simple past tense. Likewise simple present. And once again I am writing that Ram ate the mango. Okay. So we have already identified the subject, the object, and the main verb. So tell me what may be the passive voice? The passive voice will be the mango was eaten by Ram. Okay. our active voice is what? Ram ate the mango. And our passive voice will be the mango was eaten by Ram. All of you clear about these two active voice? So then come to present continuous active voice. Okay. Once again I am writing what? Ram is eating the mango. Okay. So what may be the passive voice? Tell me. Likewise, what? The mango is being eaten by Ram. Remember, whenever we convert present continuous active voice to passive voice, there is no changes in sentence. Only two things are changed. What? That we add each plus being and the third form of verb is used. Sorry, I have said I said that there are two things are changed. No, only one thing is will be changed. That thing is after each we add being. Okay. Then likewise, if our object is in plural form, then we can write the mangoes are being eaten by Ram. Okay. Then come to past continuous. Okay, that the mango was eaten by active voice, Ram was eating the mango. So what may be the passive voice? See the chart. What? The mango was being eaten by Ram. Okay. Likewise, we can easily convert active to passive voice. Okay. So I hope all of you understand that how we can easily convert active to passive voice. It is not difficult. If we go to the formula, we can easily convert active voice to passive voice. Okay. Thank you. Good morning, students. Today we read about active and passive